Hello guys, welcome back. So this was the trade I took yesterday morning, right? It trade on BTC and Ethereum, and I told you yesterday that I was going to close on profit, but I didn't know when. I didn't know when I was going to close yesterday, right? So the trade went on and off, a little bit of drawdown, just a little bit, then it came back on profit, as you can see. So I'll be closing the trade anytime from now, and like I said, it will be the last trade for the year for me, right? So as I'm watching this, I'm trying to say something now, but what is more important isn't just this profit that you are seeing, it's about the journey, right? The journey is what matters to me. This entire year has been about learning. It has been about growing. It has been staying committed, staying disciplined, no matter the challenges, right? So some of you also had a great month, some tough months, and that is simply trading, okay? But you kept going, you kept showing up, you kept trying to understand the market better, the better way of doing it, the better way of trading, and that consistency is what truly matters, not the failure, right? So let me say this very clearly. If you are listening to me, don't give up. No matter how slow progress feels, don't give up. No matter how confusing the market gets, don't give up. So every trader you admire today, right, was once exactly where you are now. Trading is a long game, right? You need to understand that it is a long game. It is patient, right? It is patient. It is discipline. It is learning to trust your process, learning to trust your structure, repeating what you have been doing over and over again. And every trade, you win or you lose, it teaches you something if you are willing to listen. So, and if you do have a structure, right, or you need more structure or guidance next year, look for opportunity to learn. Never stop learning. Many of you already know I share tools and I share this approach of trading, which I share the knowledge I share to help you grow, right, and to help you see the market in a different way, right? And I've seen how much it has helped those who have been committed, those of my students who have taken the course. It has helped them in improving their trading experience, right? And this is one of the most or the biggest investment you can make as a trader, improving your skill, improving your analytical skill, right? So a new year means a new setup, new chances, and new growth. Learn the frustration of this year, leave it. I mean, you need to leave the frustration of this year behind and take only the lesson with you, right? Take the lesson with you. You are better now than where you started. Just remember that. Whether you see it or not, you are better today than where you started. So as I close this trade for this year, so I want to say thank you to every one of you who have trusted me, trusted the process, who have been committed, and who have been willing to learn. I'm really proud of you all, right? So anytime from now, I'll be closing this trade, and I'll be closing this trade profit, of course. And okay, so my last words: keep going, right? Keep going, keep improving, and remember, your breakthrough is ahead, right? Your breakthrough is ahead. Your breakthrough is ahead. So never give up, guys. Never give up. I am, in fact, right? These remaining 2 weeks of this month, I will go indoor. Like, I will go into intensive study, right? I mean, study. Even the knowledge that I know, right? With the knowledge that I know, with the level of information I have in this approach of trading, I still study, right? I still study my notes. I still research. I still do a lot of things. The only things I will not be doing this period is placing any trade, even on the demo, right? So that is the only thing I will not be doing. But study, I will be actively studying. So when you study, you get better. That is the thing. When you study, you get better at anything you do. At anything you do, you get better, right? So that is the secret. Another thing I want you to know, or I would like to share with you, is the fact that and this is one of the secrets many people don't tell you, many traders don't tell you, is that you don't rely on trading alone, right? You don't want to depend on trading alone. So you got to have another business that you are doing, another maybe job or a business, right? Not really 9 to 5, but you've got to be doing some other thing. The reason I say that is so you will be patient to wait for your setup. Best trading doesn't like best trading opportunity doesn't come every day, right? You've got to wait for the setup. So while you are waiting, you've got to be doing some other things. Maybe a small e-commerce business, maybe a small job. Like myself, I am an engineer, right? I am a biomedical engineer. I also do developing, like coding. I build websites, and also I still trade. So while I'm waiting for a setup, I am doing other jobs, I'm doing other things. So the same thing for you. So you will not be under pressure to want to take trade, to want to always, your hands are itching you to always want to take trade that is not there. So I will encourage you, if you are already doing something, don't quit what you are doing. Keep doing what you are doing. As you are learning, as you are growing in the market, as you are grinding. Yes, you will not do it forever, but for the meantime, you have to keep doing it, right? You invest in other things, right? Not just trading. You can buy property. You can invest in bonds, in stock, right? That will be giving you profit every single month or year, right? So that is what I really want you to share with you, even as we close the year, right? So if you are hearing me for the very first time, you know what to do, right? Kindly subscribe to this channel. This will help me in a long way to be able to keep posting even next year, right? So if you want to learn how to trade with this approach of trading, you can always reach out to me. So happy Christmas and happy New Year in advance. I will talk to you later. Until then, bye. Never give up. Bye.